Hi girls, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup review, and today I'm going to review the Carnival Stacey Marie palette from BPerfect Cosmetics. So this palette here, it says it's a collection of eyeshadows, shimmers and glow. It's very sturdy, thick cardboard palette. I have been using this palette now for maybe 2 or 3 months, and it has all these shades here in the back. It has 17 vibrant matte shades, 7 high pigment shimmers and 2 highlighters shimmers. So it has a very colorful eyeshadows. So if you are a makeup artist or a makeup enthusiast, you love makeup, you're gonna love this palette because it has all the different shades here. It has your pinks, your oranges, it has blue, purple, gold, green, and even had a couple of neutral shades up there. Had 2 highlighter shades. All the colors here are very pigmented, so I'm gonna start swatching every shade and showing you how it looks. So first one is the highlighting shade in Sienna. It's a beautiful golden, straight gold highlight. You can use that as eyeshadow as well. Second one is Saint, which is this one here. It looks like that. It's a dual chrome gold and has a little bit of a pink shimmer in it. And I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my hand. They look like this. Now I'm going to start with the top row of the palette, this one here. First one is Shuffle, a yellow shade, matte shade. Next is Guilty. Next one is Hustle, which is a green golden shade. Next is Naked, which is a muted grayish brown color. Next is Basic, which is a transition orangey brown shade. It's right there. The last one in the row is Rowdy, which is a darker brown color. So that's the first row here. They are all very pigmented. I didn't put any primer or foundation on my skin. This is just straight swatches. Even the yellow is really pigmented as well. Now I'm going to swatch the second row. So we have this one. This is the second row here. First is Funky. That's a hot pink color. Second is Pink Me, which is a shimmery with a reflect of pink in it. Next is Keen, which is a more vibrant matte yellow. Then we have Lit, which is a vibrant orange, tomato orange color. Now we have Wifey, which is a darker fuchsia pink. Fuchsia or fuchsia, whatever how you say it, it's a pink. I'm gonna swatch these first. So that's the next row here. It has just the one shimmery shade, which is called Hush. Again, very pigmented, no primer. Just the yellow is a little bit chunky when I swatched it, but that's normal because there's no primer, and yellows are very hard to work with. Third row, we have Foolish, Wasted, Queenie, and Mint, Recharge, and Sky. Now I'm gonna swatch them for you. So that's the third row. These are very pigmented eyeshadows, so I didn't need to put any primer under them, and they're swatching really beautiful, very pigment, really rich in pigment. Now I'm going to swatch the last row down the bottom. It has more purple shades, so there's Liquor and Chant, Envy, Breezy, Moony, and Mood. So Liquor is dark purple, Chant a lighter purple, Envy a dark forest green, and Breezy a turquoise blue color shimmer. It's beautiful, I love that shade. And we have Moony shimmer golden shade, and Mood is a dark blue. And I swatched them on the back of my arm. So that's the last row in the Stacey Marie palette. So my thoughts on this palette, it's a very beautiful, colorful palette. If you want to do a colorful smoky eye like I did today, I used this palette today on my eyes. I used all the purple shades, and I used the pink highlighter from the palette, which is called Pink Me. And I've used the purples down the bottom here, those two shades, and Pink Me up there. So this palette has beautiful shades, and you can buy it online, and I'll put all the links where you can buy this palette from. It has 17 vibrant matte shades, 7 high pigment shimmers, and 2 highlighter shimmers. So it has lots of colors in it. It's 48 grams, and it's by the BPerfect Cosmetics. It's the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. And I really love and enjoy this palette to do all the different colorful looks with it. It's very different from your traditional natural eyeshadow palettes. So if you love colors and you like playing with colors, this would be really nice for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review today of the Stacey Marie BPerfect Cosmetics Carnival palette. I hope you guys enjoyed today's review of the Stacey Marie palette. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get all the new videos I do. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!